Students, good morning all of you. Myself am Dr. M. Farzana Begum, Assistant Professor, Department of Business Administration, Jamal Muhammad College, Trichy. Now I discuss the session in transportation problem. Basically, what is transportation problem? The transportation problem is if the organization transporting the goods. The transporting goods in one destination to another one destination or one destination to another warehouses. Every organization they facing the problem of transportation. So every organization to how to reducing the cost for transporting the goods. So if the organization to using the organizational transportation problem. So the transportation problem in two methods. First one is balanced problem and another one is unbalanced problem. So what is balanced problem? The balanced problem means the supply value and the demand value is equal, is a balanced problem. Another one method is unbalanced problem. The unbalanced problem means the supply value and the demand value is not equal. So automatically to adding the dummy rows or the dummy columns, add it and to do the problem is a unbalanced problem. So first one I have explained the balanced problem. In the balanced problem, the transportation problem have three types. First one type is north-west corner method, is simply said NWCM method. Second one is LCM method, is a lowest cost entry method or least cost method or matrix minima method. The third one method is VAM method. VAM method is a Vogel's approximation method. Now in this session, I have explained the first method in north-west corner method. This is an example sum of a north-west corner method. This sum to solve the following the transportation cost. So to move further, solving the problem. So first step, if you solve the transportation problem, if you check the supply value and the demand value. Is the supply value, is the demand value. So the first step, if the problem is balanced one or the unbalanced one. So the given problem, to add all of the supply value and all of the demand value if the value is equal or not. In this problem, the supply value and the demand value is 1500. So the problem is balanced problem. So first step, if you write the total demand is equal to total supply, so it's a balanced problem. Solve the sum. First step, the method is north-west corner method. So first one to start to solving the problem and assigning the cost in north corner. So first start the problem. The first step to check the supply value and the demand value. Supply value is 300 and the demand value is 250. So the least values could be taken and assigning the values. The demand value is 250 is the least value. So the assigning the value of 250. So the 250 value is cancelled. So the remaining value is 0. The corresponding cells are cancelled. So to assigning the value of 250, so 300 minus 250, the remaining value is 50. So move to the second one step. So start the north corner. So in this north corner, as the same procedure, check the demand value and the supply value. Supply value is 50 and the demand value is 350. The least value is 50 50 taken, the value could be assigned and the values are cancelled. The remaining values is 0. The cells are cancelled. Corresponding cells are cancelled. So 350, the assigning value is 50. The remaining value is 300. So next step is a corner. Only having on 6 cells are remaining. So start the assigning values in north corner. So the demand value is 300 and the supply value is 400. The least value is 300. The values are assigned. Values are cancelled. The remaining values is 0. 400 minus 300. The remaining value is 100. So the value is getting on 0. The corresponding cell are cancelled. Move to the next step. The remaining only have 4 cells. So in the cells is the north corner. So the assigning values in start the north corner. To check the same procedure, check the supply value and the demand value. The least value is supply value is 100. So the values are could be assigned. The values are cancelled. The remaining value is 0. So in this session, the 400 minus 300, the remaining value is 300. The value are, the cell are cancelled. So next step, go to the north corner, is a 3. The remaining only have 2 cells are remaining. So the assigning values, the least values are could be taken. The supply value is 500 and the demand value is 300. So the least value is 300. Assign the value of 300. The value are cancelled. The remaining value is 0. Next one remaining only 1 cell is remaining. So assign the values. 500, the assigning value is 300. Remaining only the value of 200. So in the supply value and the demand value is equal. Their values are 200. Assign the value of 200. The values are 0. So it's a procedure for assigning the values in northwest corner method. Next step, find to transportation cost. The transportation, find to the transportation cost, the assigning values multiplied in cost value. So in your first cell, the assigning value is 250 and the cost is 3. So multiply the value. Second one, assigning value is 50 and the cost is 7. The values are multiplied plus. Third one, assigning value is 300 and cost value is 6 multiplied and add the values. And next one, assign value is 100 and the cost value is 5. Next one, assigning value is 300 and the cost value is 3. Next one, assigning value is 200 and the cost value is 2. So all of the values could be multiplied. So the transportation cost is equal to 250 into 3 is 750 plus 550 into 7, 350, 300 into 6, 180 plus 100 into 5, 500, 300 into 3, 900, 200 into 2, 400. Add all of the values to getting the transportation cost. So in this value, to getting the values 4,400. So the transportation cost is equal to rupees 4,400. So final answer of finding the transportation cost in northwest corner method. Thank you, students.